I'm sorry. I just got done drinking egg.
What?
I'm just waiting on my nephew.
Hey man, at first they are cool with it, but when it happens again, they are like, nah, we can't take this. Ooh, hey bro.
That must be Taco Bell. Merry Christmas.
Oh no. Oh, home bro. This nigga is farting, and then this girl after he did that is putting food. Oh my god, bro. Hell nah. Me, I'll be moving out of there.
Happy Christmas. Y'all take care of me. God damn.
Hey man, it's a god damn. Yo. I thought the kids would do something crazy. I thought the kids were the ones who are going to have the crazy reaction, but nah. The father did, bro. Hold on, hold on. Hey man, one thing that still confuses me is when people are running. Like, come on man, what are you running away from? What are you running away from, bruh? Wait. Yo, reacting to a fat man fart prank. Homeboy was farting next to the girls who were eating. And yeah, it's okay that they didn't find the video disgusting, right? I think there's a thing about the people who are white, right? Because when you look at the black females in the first video, they have like, they're disgusted. Even though they ended up laughing, but they are so disgusted, but the whites are laughing. So the thing about us blacks, when we are eating, we don't want nobody farting, bro. Why we find that disgusting. So oh yeah. But one thing I've noticed is that the whites do not, right? Like it is so funny to them. So yeah, but all in all, man, funny video out here, bro. Incredible video from the fat guy, man. I love reacting to this guy. He's hilarious. So yeah, if you like the video, man, comment and subscribe, bro. Like and subscribe. So yeah, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to take my channel to the next level, man. I need you guys' help. So subscribe to the channel, bro. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.